Okay, here comes the sun from the beginning. So the beginning part is strum down on D, then hit the second string up, then you want to lift your middle finger, which is going to open up that bottom string, pluck that, then put that middle finger back for 2, and then hit that second string again. That's the first riff. Right? 2, 3, 4. D, 3, 0, 2, 3. 2, 3, 4. D, 3, 0, 2, 3. 2, 3, 4. D, 3, 0, 2, 3. So then you're going to go. Right, so let's do that. Just hit the bottom string, lift up that middle finger again, 0, you want to probably pluck up to keep that contrary motion going. So down, up, and then hit the second string, down. When you strum up on the G chord, you want to hit all the strings except for that last string, the bottom string. So second string and up, let's do the G chord shape like this, and right, so we got, let's try that slower. So D shape, first string again, but lift up the middle finger, second string, and then stroke up with the G chord, right? You got it, let's do it again. Down, up, lifting your middle finger, down in the second string, and then up on the G chord. Got it? Hope you can see that. Okay, the next part's going to be 3, 0, 3. So 3, 0, 3, when you can just put your ring finger or your middle finger on the second string up on the 3rd fret and just pluck that, and then pluck the very last string, which is open. And for contrary motion, you could go down, down, up. Okay? 3, 0, 3. So let's do it from the beginning. 2, 3, 4. D, 3, 0, 2, 3. 2, 0, 3. Up on G. 3, 0, 3. 2, 3, 4. D, 3, 0, 2, 3. 2, 0, 3. Upstroke on G. 3, 0, 3. And immediately you're going to go to this one. It's like an A chord, but it's like an A6 chord. It's just one finger, which is helpful, right? So just put that one finger on the 2nd fret, 3rd string from the top. Okay, and you're going to strum upwards on the 2nd, 3rd, 4th, and 5th strings. So, like that. You don't have to hit all the strings. If you just hit the first 3 of those, that's okay. 2nd, 3rd, and 4th string, that'd be okay too. Okay, so hit that, and then you immediately follow that with the 2, 0, 2, 3. Only on the 2nd string. 2, 0, 2, 3. And I'm using my middle finger, and I'm going 2, right? You can see that? 0, 2, and then with my ring finger, I hit the 3 on that 2nd string, and then the bottom string, I just hit open. That's it. 2, 0, 2, 3, 0, open, right? Do that a few times. 2, 0, 2, 3, open. Now let's do that whole riff. So we'll start with strumming up on the A6 chord, right? And then 2, 0, 2, 3, 0. Here we go. 2, 3, 4. 2, 0, 2, 3, 0. 2, 3, 4. Strum up, and then 2, 0, 2, 3, 0. So now let's put all that together. 2, 3, 4. D, 3, 0, 2, 3. 2, 0, 3. upstroke on G, 3, 0, 3, A, 2, 0, 2, 3, 0. Two more times. 2, 3, 4, D, 3, 0, 2, 3, 2, 0, 3, up on G, 3, 0, 3, A, 2, 0, 2, 3, 0. Last time, speed up a little bit. 2, 3, 4, D, 3, 0, 2, 3, 2, 0, 3, up on G, 3, 0, 3, up on A, 2, 0, 2, 3, 0. Were you able to speed up? I hope you were. So the next part is really similar. It does that D still, right, that you just did, but you don't go all the way down. You just do the 4th, 3rd, and 2nd strings. That's it. So strum up. Now play on the 1st string. 2, 3, 0 on the bottom. 2, 3 on the 2nd string. 2, 3, 4 up on the D. 2, 3, 0, 2, 3. Good. 2. Last time. 3, 4 up. 2, 3, 0, 2, 3. Sweet. No problem. You got that. So then now we're going to go hit the bottom string, lift up your 3rd finger, hit the 2nd string, and then G shape up. 2, 0 on the bottom, 3, G. Okay, and you want to keep playing that and speed it up until it's about this fast. 2, 0, 3, up, 2, 3, 4, 2, 0, 3, up, 2, 3, 4, 2, 0, 3, up. You want to get it that fast, so practice that. Now the next part is going to be 2, 0, 3, A7, right? If you forget A7, you just take your 1st finger, 4th string up, 2nd fret, boom. Your middle finger, 2nd string up, 2nd fret, boom. And you just want to strum up on that one. In this case, you're going to strum from the 2nd string upwards. But you want to try to not hit this top string because the top string is not in A7. 2, 0, 3, A7. So the 2, 0, 3 is just part of that D chord again. So 1st string, lift up the middle finger to 0, 1st string, 2nd string, and then up on A7. Okay? 2, 3, 4, 1st string, 0, 1st string, 2nd string, up on A7. So let's do that a few times, and we'll speed that up. So A7, 2, 3, 4, 2, 0, 3, A7, 2, 3, 4, 2, 0, 3, A7, 2, 3, 4, 2, 0, 3, 7, 2, 3, 4, 2, 7, 3. And that's about how fast the song is. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. Got it? All right, you can do it. Just it takes practice. That's all it takes. So let's put that together. So starting from the D, 2nd, 3rd, and 4th string up, 1st string, 2nd string, 1st string 0, 2, 2nd string, right? 1st string 0, 2nd string G, 1st string 2, 0, 2nd string 3, A7, 2, 3, 4, up on D, 1st string, 2nd string, 0 on the 1st, 2 on the 1st, 2nd string, and then 1st string, 2, 0, 2nd string, up on G, 1st string, 2, 0, 2nd string, A7. Okay, now let's do that a few times, then we'll speed that up to where it needs to be. 2, 3, 4. D, first string, second, 0, 2, second string, first string, 0, second string, up on G, first string, 0, second string, A7, 2, 3, speeding up, 4, upstroke, first string, second, 0, 2, 3, first string, 2, 0, second string, G, first string, 2, 0, second string, A7, 2, 3, 4, again, D, first string, second, 0, 2, 3, 2, 0, second string, G, first string, 0, second string, A7, speeding up, 2, 3, 4, up on D, 2, 0, 2, 3, 2, 0, 3, up on G, 2, 0, 3, A7, speeding up, 2, 3, 4, up on D, 2, G, 2, 0, 3, A7, and that's the speed of the song. Okay, you can do it, just practice. Okay, so now we're going to put those first two parts together. Here we go. The first part again is just the D, right? And then it goes 2, 0, 3, G, 3, 0, 3, A, 2, 0, 2, 3, 0, open. And the second part is what we just went over, so let's do it. Two, 3, 4, second, first, 0, 2, second string, first string, 2, 0, second string, G, 3, 0, 3, A, 2, 0, 2, 3, 0, then up on D, first string, 2, second, 0, first string, second string, first string, 2, 0, second string, up on G, first string, 2, 0, second string, A7. Let's just do that. 2, 3, 4. D, 3, 0, 3, A, 2, 0, 2, 3, 0, up on D, 2, 3, 0, 2, 3, 2, 0, 3, G, 2, 0, 3, A7, 2, 3, 4. And now we've got the Here Comes the Sun part. Let's do it one more time. 2, 3, 4. 3, 3, 0, 2, 3, 2, 0, 3, G, 3, 0, 3, A, 2, 0, 2, 3, 0, up on D, 2, 3, 0, 2, 3, 2, 0, 3, up on G, 2, 0, 3, A7, 2. Okay, good. Now we're going to go Here Comes the Sun, which is just up on that same partial D. So not the whole D, but the second string up, you're going to strum upwards. Then you're going to go, here comes the sun. That's all first string, 2, 0, 2. And then the sun is the second string on that 3. Just that D shape again. 2, 3, 4. 2, 0, 2, 3. Right? So let's try that. Strum up on the second, third, and fourth strings of that D shape. 2, 3, 4. Strum up. 2, 0, 2, 2, 3, 4, strum up. 2, 0, 2, 3. Again. 2, 3, 4, strum up. 2, 0, 2, 3. Okay, the next part is 2, 3, 0, 2. So that's 2 on the first string, 3 on the second string, 0 on the first string, and 2 on the first string. 2, 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 0, 2. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 0, 2. So it's pretty much all right there. Try to do contrary motion with this part also, right? So let's put those two parts together. 2, 3, 4. Strum up. 2, 0, 2, 3. 2, 3, 0, 2. 2, 3, 4. Strum up. 2, 0, 2, 3. 2, 3, 0, 2. 2, 3, 4. Strum up. 2, 0, 2, 3. 2, 3, 0, 2. So just practice that a bunch, and then let's do the next part, and then we'll glue them together like we do. The next part is an upward strum on G, starting on the second to last string from the bottom, right? Which is pretty easy. And then with the first finger, just go 2, 0, 2 after that. So try that. 2, 3, 4, G. 2, 0, 2. 2, 3, 4 up on G. 2, 0, 2. Okay, now the next chord is the hardest chord of the song, which is E7. The first finger is on the first fret, third string from the bottom. The second finger is on the fifth string from the bottom, second fret. And the third finger is on the third fret, second string from the bottom. You strum upwards on the second string, up, all the way up. Okay? So let's just do that. We'll go 2, 0, 2. Then as quick as you can, get in that E7 shape. Put your pick on the second string from the bottom, strum up. Got it? 2, 3, 4. 2, 0, 2. E7. 2, 3, 4. 2, 0, 2. E7. 2, 3, 4. 2, 0, 2. E7. Okay, so now let's do from the G chord. And then 2, 0, 2. E7 chord. G first, second string from the bottom, we're going to strum up. So 2, 3, 4, G. 2, 0, 2, E7. 2, 3, 4, G. 2, 0, 2, E7. 2, 3, 4, G. 2, 0, 2, E7. 2, 3, 4. Two more times. G. 2, 0, 2, E7. 2, 3, 4. Last time. G. 2, 0, 2, E7. You're killing it, I can tell. So after that section, it's alright. So let's go over the D first. It's alright. So that's not a whole D. That's just the second, third, and fourth strings. Strum up on the second, third, and fourth strings. And then first string, lift up the middle finger, 0. Then just hit the second string. You're already hitting that 3 there. 2, 3, 4. Upstroke. 2, 0, 3. Speeding up a little bit. 2, 3, 4. 2, 0, 3. 2, 3, 4. Up. 2, 0, 3. Okay, that's the part where he sings, "It's alright," and then the guitars go, and it's about that fast. You take your ring finger, put it on the 2nd fret, 3rd string up, slide to the 4th string. That alone is pretty tricky, right? You pluck it on the 2nd string and quickly go to the 4th string. Not too quickly, but like this fast. Right? Then you're going to take your middle finger and put it on the 3rd fret of the 2nd string up. So let's just try that. Okay. Two, 4, 3 on the 2nd string. 2 slides to 4, 3 on the 2nd string. Then go ahead and pluck that bottom string open. Let's try that much. 3rd string, 2, slides to 4, 3, 0, 2, 3, 4, 2 slides to 4, 3, 0, 2, 3, 4, speed it up. 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4. Okay, the next part, you're going to lift up your ring finger. You keep that middle finger right where it is on that 3rd fret, 2nd string up. 1st finger goes to the 2nd fret, 3rd string up. So that'll sound like this. You still just strum bump, bump, bump. 3rd string, 2nd string, 1st string. All in a row like that. Okay, so let's put those two together. So slide up, 2 to 4, 3, 0. Lift up the ring finger, put the 1st finger down, 2nd fret, 3rd string. 2, 3, 0, 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. Okay, good. After that, you're going to lift up your 1st finger and still just strum 3rd string, 2nd string, 1st string. And then put your 1st finger down again on the 2nd fret where it was. So let's try those two. 0, 3, 0, 2, 3, 0. Try that again. 0, 3, 0, 2, 3, 0. You can do that. 2, 3, 4. 0, 3, 0, 2, 3, 0, 2, 3, 4. 0, 3, 0, 2, 3, 0, 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. So this is easier than the first part, right? Because it doesn't have that sliding business, which is harder. Now let's try to put it all together. 2, 3, 4. 2 to 4. 3, 0, 2, 3, 0. Lift your 1st finger up. 0, 3, 0, 2, 3, 0. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 0, 0, 3, 0, 2, 3, 0, 2, 3, 4. 2, 4, 0, 2, 3, 4, 2. 4. So that's the actual tempo, very fast. The next part is, so your middle finger is already where it should be on the 3rd fret, 2nd string up. Then you have your 1st finger behind it, 2nd fret, then 0. Then the 1st finger comes up a string to the 2nd fret on the 3rd string up. That's it. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. Make sure to do contrary motion all the time. 2, 3, 4. And that already is at the tempo, so that's not as hard. Now let's try to put it all together, all the way through. 2, 3, 4. 2, G chord, 2 0 3, A 2 0 2 3 0, up on D, 2 3 0 2 3, 2 0, second string, up on G, first string, 2 0, second string, A7, 2 3 4, up on that D, 2 0 2 3, first string 2, second 0 2, then up on G, first string 2 0 2, E7 2 3 4, up on the D, 2 0 3, 2 to 4. But then there's a little tag, a little different thing that happens, which is it goes to the D, where you strum from the second string up, and then first string, second string, first string 0, 2, but then from there you just go directly to the A chord with that first finger on the second string, fourth string up, and you strum upwards all the notes except for the top string, starting on the second string from the bottom, and then 2 0 2 3 on that second string, and then 0 on that first string. So let's just do that. 2 3 4. That's what that sounds like. 2 3 4. Okay, speed that up until it's this fast. Okay, so the only difference between the second time you play it and the first time you play it, and this is actually not in the tablature, so it's good that I'm writing this to you. After this section, when normally you would play, you don't play the full turnaround the second time, you just play like this. Still, you start on the second string from the bottom and strum up on the D, and still it's 2, second string, first string 0, 2, but now you just go A7, 2 3 4, up on the D, first string, 2, second string, 3, first string 0, 2, then just A7. Got it? And you want to speed that up until it sounds like this. 2 3 4. You can kind of pause between there. 2 3 4, D, 2 3 0 2, A7. That little pause is helpful to have. Okay, good. Then you go directly into this really hard section, which we'll do right now. This part repeats 6 times. It looks like this. Let's go over that. And it's really cool in the song. It starts out with guitar. They layer in all these weird synthesizer sounds, and they warble around, and they sound really cool. Okay, so with your pinky, you're going to go 0 first on the 5th string up. 0. 4th fret with your pinky. 2nd fret on the 4th string. 3rd fret on the 4th string. Now your middle finger goes down a string to the 2nd fret. Okay? 2 3 4. 0 4 2 3 2. And then you want to add your first finger on the 1st fret of the 2nd string. And that completes the first riff. Here we go. 0, 4, 2, 3, 2, 1, 2, 3. This is actually, this shape is like an F chord, right? So that's kind of handy, you know? 4, just practice this an ungodly amount of times. 2, 3, 4, 0, 4, 2, 3, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 0, 4, 2, 3, 2. And you want to keep practicing that. Out of 3, 4, 0, 4, 2, 3, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. I know this is fast, but the song is eventually going to be this fast. 0, 4, 2, 3, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 0, 4, 2, 3, 2, 1. But it's not faster than that, so that's good. Okay, then from there, you're just going to go up with the third and second fingers. So from that 3, 2, 0, which is just, you can see that. It's like a C looking shape. And you use the same fingers you would if it was a C. So 3, 2, 0, and the 5th string, 4th string, and the 3rd string. And then your first finger will go to the 2nd fret, 5th string up. And hit that, and then 4th string, 3rd string. Got it? So let's practice that 4 times. Here we go. So 3rd finger is on the 5th string, 2nd finger is on the 4th string. 3, 2, 0. Now the pointer finger goes to the 2nd fret, 5th string. 0, 0. Got it? 2, 3, 4. 3, 2, 0. 2, 0, 0. 2, 3, 4. 3, 2, 0. 2, 0, 0. 2, 3, 4. 2, 0, 0. And then with your middle finger, you're going to hit the 3rd fret on that top string. And then 2nd fret where it already is on the 5th string, and then go to the D shape. Got it? So like that. You get to just go 3, 2, and keep strumming downwards, but the left hand jumps to that D shape. So that's good to know. 6th string, 5th string, and then 4, 3, 2, 1. So we got middle finger comes up to the top string, and then D shape. 2, 3, 4, 3, 2, 0, 2, 0, 0, 3, 2, 3, 4, 3, 2, 2. Okay, and that eventually will be this fast. So just practice it a bunch. That's that. So that whole part together will be like this. 0, 4, 2, 3, 2, 1, 3, 2, 0, 2, 0, 0, 3, 2, D. It's hard, so let's do it slowly 4 times. 2, 3, 4, 0, 4, 2, 3, 2, 1, 3, 2, 0, 2, 0, 0, 3, 2, D shape, 2, 3, 4, 0, 4, 2, 3, 2, 1, 3, 2, 0, 2, 0, 0, 3, 2, D shape, 2, Okay, now we're going to add the A7 chord at the end of all that. All right? So 0, 4, 2, 3, 2, 2, 3, 0, 2, 0, 0, 3, 2, 2, 3, 4. Okay, for briefly, let's talk about how to actually loop this, because in the song it really is looped 6 times. So you'll go D, 2, 3, 4, then A7, 1, 2, and then immediately back into it. So it sounds like this. D, 2, 3, 4, A7, 2, 0, 4, 2, 3, 2, 1, 3, 2, 0, 2, 0, 0, 3, 2, D, 2, 3, 4, A7, 2, 0, 4, 2, 3, 2, 1, 3, 2, 0, 2, 0, 0, 3, 2, D, 2, 3, 4, A, 2, 0, 4, 2, 3, 2, 1, 3, 2, 0, 2, 0, 0, 3, 2, D, 2, 3, 4, A7, 2, 0, 4, 2, 3, 2, 1, 3, 2, 0, 2, 0, 0, 3, 2, D. That's about up to speed. A7, 0, 4, 2, 3, 2, 1, 3, 2, 0, 2, 0, 0, 3, 2, D, 2, 3, 4, A7, 0, 4, 2, 3, 2, 1, 3, 2, 0, 2, 0, 0, 3, 2, D, 2, 3, 4. It's hard. 0, 4, 2, 3, 2, 1, 3, 2, 0, 2, 0, 0, 3, 2. And that's up to speed. Okay, good luck. You can do it. I believe in you. So after that section is a fun section that's actually easy, which is nice. So you hit A7 up. Starting on the second string, you strum up. Okay, that A7 chord. Then on that second string up, you lift up the middle finger and hit 0, back to 2, then 3 with the ring finger, third finger, and then 2, 3, and then 0, next string down, bottom string, and then back to the 3 you just played on the second string, back to the 0 on the first string, and then 3 on the bottom string, and then 5, 5 on the bottom string. Okay, so that's kind of a cool little riff. Up on the second string of that A7, 0 on the second string, back to 2, 3, and then 2, 3, 0 bottom string, second string 3, bottom string 0, and then 3 bottom string, 5, 5. And the pausing rhythm of it happens like that. It's like 0, 2, 3, 2, 3 bottom string, 3 bottom string, 3, 5, 5. Playable. You can do it. 3, 4, A7. Second string, 0, 2, 3, 2, 3 bottom string. Second string, 3 bottom string, 3, 5, 5. Okay, so just practice that. It's about that fast. 2, 3, 0, 2, 3, 2, 3, 2, 3, 0, 2, 3, 0, 3, 5, 5. Then it goes back, surprise, surprise, to the whole first section, which you already know. Okay, at this point the only part you don't know is the ending. And the ending is the same as this part. That whole thing. But then after that, it goes, that's just the fourth string from the bottom. And then that's just second string on the bottom string, 0 on the bottom string, and then the second string. If you're doing this D shape like I'm doing. So fourth string, and then 2 bottom string, 0 bottom string, second string, 3rd fret. I know you can do it. Okay. From there, you're going to do this whole section again. Okay. Then you do something fancy. So from the section that you did before, the hard section, it's like you leave off the first 1, 2, 3 notes, and you start here. It's exactly what it is, actually. So you go, dun, and you complete the rest of the phrase. And that's the end of the song. So 3, 2, 1, 3, 2, 0, 2, 0, 0, 3, 2, jump to the D. So since you've been practicing that section, you can do this section. Now the trick is the transition, as usual. So you're going from this 2, 4, 2, 3, 0, 0, 3, 0, 2, 3, 0, 3, 2, 0, 2, and then jump into this shape. Jump up, 3, 2, 0. First finger goes in the 2nd fret, 5th string up. 3, 2, D shape. That's the whole ending. Let's just do it again. 2, 3, 4. 3, 2, 0, 2, and then jump to that shape. 3, 2, 1. Jump up. 3, 2, 0, 2, 0, 0, 3, 2. Like that. Got it? So you do this. And then hit the 4th string from the bottom. And then do it again. 2, 4. 3, 2, 0, 2. Jump to the 3, 2, 1. Jump up. 3, 2, 0, 2, 0, 0, 3, 2, D. That is the big ending. Again, 2, 3, 4. 0, 2, 3, 2, 0, 2, and then 0 on the 4th string, 2, 0, 3, again, 3, 2, 0, 2, jump to 3, 2, 1, jump up, 3, 2, 0, 2, 0, 0, 3, 2, speeding up. 3, 2, 1, 3, 2, 0, 2, 0, 0, 3, 2, D. Alright, a little bit faster than we're at the right speed. Okay, that's it. That's the tune. You can do it.